Hi, I will show you 3 useful tricks on Final Cut Pro 10.4. First, let's drag the video clip on the timeline. Now, click on this box at the lower left corner. Make sure you click on the transform mode. To flip the image, just click on the left side of the screen and drag your mouse to the right. To mirror the video horizontally, just click on the top side of the screen and drag your mouse to the bottom. You may now undo everything you have changed so far, either by going to Edit and undo your last moves, or simply you might click on the bottom right side of the screen and drag your mouse to the opposite direction, meaning the left top side. Next, I will show you how to use the Ken Burns effect. After you selected a clip in the timeline, to access the Ken Burns controls, click the pop-up menu in the lower left corner of the viewer and choose Crop. Click the Ken Burns button at the bottom of the viewer. 2 rectangles appear in the viewer, a green one that defines the position and size for the start of the clip, and a red one that defines the position and size for the end of the clip. The default start and end settings result in a small zoom to the center of the image, but you may move them any way you wish. Let's have a look at what we have done so far. Last, I will show you how to change speed of video. In the timeline, select a range, either a whole clip or a group of clips you want to change the speed. Click the Retime pop-up menu below the viewer and choose Custom. Select either fast or slow and choose the percentage of speed you wish for. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.